ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यकोपनिषद पेज नंबर 463, सेकंड चैप्टर अजातशत्रु ब्राह्मण। In this bhashya of 18th mantra, the discussion is what if Swapna itself is Satyam? So it is said Swapna is not Satyam because when this person who has gone to bed, at that time he leaves all his Prakriti and he dreams like a king. Or he's, let's say he is a king and who goes to sleep, at that time his Prakriti is not available. When he wakes up, Prakriti is available. So whatever he experiences in dream is not available in waking. That is badhita. Therefore, it is mithya. And then all that badhita vastu, because it is drishya also, so drishyatvat, jagrat is also mithya. And in all of them, see the tika in second last line that we saw, pramana samagri abhavacha swapnasya mithyatvam ityaha. प्रमाण सामग्री अभावात्. व्हाट इज प्रमाण सामग्री? 11 नंबर टिप्पणी. अत्र सर्वत्र हेतुषु शुक्ति रूप्यादि दृष्टान्तः. yesterday I told you दृष्टान्त for all is शुक्ति रूप्य. शुक्ति रूप्य has प्रातिभासिकत्वम, शुक्ति रूप्य has दृश्यत्वम. both are there. So with प्रातिभासिकत्वम और बाध्यत्वम, स्वप्न is negated. Then using that drishyatva of swapna, jagrat is negated. So this is praman samagri. Praman samagri means you need drishtanta. For any anumana, you need drishtanta. Where did you get? Why do you need drishtanta? Where did you get vyapti? Vyapti graha sthanam you have to show for anumana. In bhashya, second last line you see, nacha tasya maharajasya paryanke shayanat द्वितीयो अन्यः प्रकृति उपेतो विषये पर्यटन अहनि लोके प्रसिद्धो अस्ति यम असौ सुप्तः पश्यति. तस्य महाराजस्य पर्यंके शयनात्. If the Maharaja is sleeping on the bed, there is no द्वितीयः अन्यः endowed with the prakriti of a king. Prakriti means prakriti of a king. Prakriti upeto vishaye paryatan. In Vishaya, doing Vyavahara, during the daytime, there is no such prasiddha. Ahani. Loke prasiddho na asti. Yam asau suptaha pashyate. In Anubhuti Prakasha, it is explained this way also, that if I see Devadatta sees Chaitra sleeping on the bed, then for Devadatta, other than Chaitra who is sleeping, there is nobody else who is prasiddha. Swapna Purusha is not known. For Devadatta who is awake and who is onlooker of sleeping Chaitra, what will he say? This is all I know. There is no other entity other than this who is sleeping here. Swapna Purusha is aprasiddha. And this yatragatam bhunjanam iva cha bhogan, that was there in the second last line in Bhashya. So it is like this, that when he goes for yatra, he takes some bhogavisha, like how we take food. Anything else is there or not, but in particular train yatra, lot of food is there. So that yatragatam bhunjanam iva cha bhogan. So such thing, when he comes back, then all those bhogas are not available. Tika. Yogya desha abhavacha tan mithyatvam. Tan mithyatvam means swapnasya mithyatvam, because the previous pankti in the tika is swapnasya mithyatvam. So next pankti also yogya desha abhavacha swapnasya mithyatvam. This is the same hetu as Mandukya Vaitatya Prakaranam. Uchita desha kala abhavat or uchita desha kala nimitta abhavat. What is the second karika? अदीर्घत्वाच्च कालस्य गत्वा देशान्न पश्यति प्रतिबुद्धश्च यः प्रतिबुद्धश्च यही सर्व प्रतिबुद्धश्च वै सर्व तस्मिन् देशे न विद्यते. Somebody gave the karika, but they said after seeing or without seeing?
Without seeing.
Very good. Pratibuddhasya vai sarvah tasmin deshe na vidyate. That hetu is not given here. Yogya desha abhava, because there is not enough space in Sushupti. Therefore, that desha is mithya, or that desha anubhava is all mithya. Bhashya. Na cha upasamhrita karanasya रूपादि मतो दर्शनम upapadyate. Upasamhrita karana, the one whose karana means indriyas are withdrawn. Rupadi mataha darshanam na upapadyate. Rupadiman means ghatadi. Whatever he sees, they are not available in Sushupti when everything is upasamhrita. In Swapna also you can say, in Swapna if it is available, it is only Kalpanika Ghata. टीका. देहाद बहिरेव स्वप्न दृष्टि अंगीकारात योग्य देश सिद्धि ही. पूर्व पक्ष is doing shanka. This is why don't you say he goes outside of the body. Dehat bahihi eva. Bahir desham gatva swapnan pashyati. So dehat bahireva swapna drishti angikarat. Then there is yogya desha, enough desha, kala, nimittas are there outside. Siddhi iti ashankyaha. न च देहे देहांतरस्य तत्तुल्यस्य संभवो अस्ति. देहस्थस्यैव हि स्वप्न दर्शनम. देहे देहांतरस्य तत्तुल्यस्य संभवो न अस्ति. In the body there is something which is similar, like one desha is there, Kashi is there, you go to Kashi Vishwanath, you do Bhagavan's Abhishek, you go to Sangam, you do Sangam. Outside it is there, inside it is not there. Dehasthasya hi swapna darshana. And why he's so here, that explanation is not given. Gatva deshan na pashyati. Why? Because pratibuddhasya vai sarvah tasmin deshe na vidyate. That he doesn't wake up in Kashi or in Prayag. He wakes up where he slept, on his paryanka, on his bed. Yesterday there was one more point, that Jnanam This is interesting point. Rajju Sarpa Jnanam, we said Rajju Sarpa Jnanam is Badhita, therefore Rajju Sarpa is Badhita. Let's say somebody does this argument. Rajju Sarpa is Pratibhasika. But Rajju Sarpa Jnana is happening to Vyavaharika Drashta. And all the effects, if you are running, if you are sweating, seeing the Sarpa, all the effects of that Pratibhasika Vastu is happening in Vyavaharika. Pratibhasika is Mithya. Vyavaharik Vastu, how do you say it is Mithya? This can be a Purva Paksha. Nyaya, so they, in Advaita Siddhi, this comes, that they don't accept that Jnanam is Mithya. Only Padartha is Mithya. Because they will say Jnanam happened. Its samskara is also there. And I recollect also. And again, if it is negative samskara, with that recollection also I get frightened, I get whatever negative emotions. So therefore, Jnanam is Mithya. This somebody may not agree. But I will leave it to you. Last time also I left some question for your thinking. In this or in some other text?
Advaita Siddhi, Swamiji.
Advaita Siddhi. Okay. See Bhashya now. I mean Tika. Etadeva sadhaitum shankayati. Now this sadhya siddhi he will do. So there is shanka by Purva Paksha. Nanu. Paryanke shayanaha. Pathi pravrittam. Atmanam pashyati. Na bahihi swapnan pashyati. Paryanke shayanaha. Pathi pravrittam. Pathi means on the road. Pathi pravrittam atmanam pashyati. Na bahihi swapnan pashyati. Iti etad aha. टीका तत्र स यथा इत्यादि वाक्यम उत्तरत्वेन अवतार्य व्याचष्टे. Now this is the later part of the mantra which is connected to this shanka. So what is the shanka? If a person who is sleeping on the bed and he sees himself walking on the street, means in swapna. Na bahihi swapnan pashyati. So in that he says, tatra sa yatha ityadi vakyam uttaratvena. He is not going out in swapna, he is seeing the Jagat inside. How? So in mantra it is given. Sa yatha maharajo janapadan grihitva swe janapade yatha kamam parivarteta. This Raja, as if how he takes all his people and goes in his kingdom, yatha kamam parivarteta. In the same way, this Vijnanamaya evam eshaha etan pranan grihitva, he takes all the indriyas, swe sharire yatha kamam parivarteta. Swe sharire means swapna. Sharire actually means in Jagrat Sharira, but taking up another Sharira and he goes around. In Jagrat Sharira, he sees everything in this. Saha Maharajo, Bhashya. Sa Maharajo, Janapadan. Janapadan, Janapade Bhavan. Rajopakaran Bhutan, Bhrityan, Anyanscha, Grihitva, Upadaya. स्व आत्मीय एव जयादिना उपार्जिते जनपदे यथा कामम यो यह कामो अस्य यथा कामम इच्छा तो यथा परिवर्तेत इत्यर्थः. This Maharaja Janapadan means Janapade Bhavan, on the street, whatever is available in the kingdom. Rajopakarana Bhutan, Prityan, whatever is available through Raja Upakarana, all the Sevakas, Anyanscha, other people, Grihitva, having experienced them, Graha means Jnana, Upadaya, Swa Atmiya Eva Jayadina Uparjite Janapade. Where does he experience all this? In all the places that he has conquered by victory. Jayadina Uparjite Janapade. Swatmiya will go with all. Bhrityan Anyanscha. Swatmiya Bhrityan, Swatmiya Anyan. Bhogan Padarthan. Yatha Kamam. Yo yah kamo asya yatha kamam. Ichha to yatha parivarteta ityartha. Yo yah kamaha asya, that is yatha kamam. Yatha kamam means sitika. Yatha kamam tam kamam anatikramya ityartha. Yatha kamam is which samasa? Yatha kama avyayi bhava. So therefore the vigraha will be always like this. Kamam anatikramya. Like yatha karma, yatha shrutam, so similar. Yatha kamam ichhatah, yatha parivarteta. And then etad pada is there. In Bhashya you see, evam eva esha vijnanamaya etad iti kriya visheshanam. Earlier I explained, etad is kriya visheshanam. Iti kriya visheshanam प्राणान गृहीत्वा जागरित स्थानेभ्यः उपसंहृत्य स्वे शरीरे स्व एव देहे न बहिः यथा कामं परिवर्तते. एवमेव एषः विज्ञानमय. So this Maharaja was Drishtanta. In Jagrat, how it happens that the king walks outside in his kingdom, whatever he has conquered, with all his sevaka, etc. In the same way, एषः विज्ञानमयः, this भोक्ता, एतद् इति क्रिया विशेषणम्. एतद् क्रिया विशेषणम् सी इन टीका. एतद् इति क्रियायाः ग्रहणस्य विशेषणम्. क्रिया विशेषणम् means it will go with the kriya. क्रियायाः ग्रहणस्य विशेषणम्. एतद् ग्रहणम् यथा भवति तथा. Here also एतद् means एतद् ग्रहणम् यथा भवति तथा इत्यर्थः. प्राणान् गृहीत्वा जागरित स्थानेभ्यः उपसंहृत्य, having withdrawn everything from Jagrita Sthana, all the Indriya and Vyavahara, Swe Sharire, Swe Eva Dehe, in one's own Jagrat Sharira, Na Bahihi Yatha Kamam Parivartate. Swe Sharire means not that he is going everywhere in his body, that will be explained in Puri Tatanadi. That part will come in the next shloka, mantra. Tasmat, before that bhashya. Kama karma bhyam udbhasitaha पूर्वानुभूत वस्तु सदृशीर वासना अनुभवति इत्यर्थः. काम कर्मभ्याम उद्भासिताः. उद्भासिताः, where does it come? मांडुक्य मंगलाचरण. भीषणोद्भासितान कामजन्यान. Their kama shabda is for avidya also and karma also. Avidya kama. Here kama karma bhyam is given, but avidya also you should understand. Punarapi dhishanodbhasitan kamajanyaan. And there how purvanubhuta vastu sadrishir vasana anubhavati. Purva anubhuta vastu, whatever he has, its vasanas are there. Only those will be projected in swapna. Purva anubhuta can be in this janma or purva janma also. Vasana anubhavati ityartha. Tika. See, Bhagwan Bhashyakar, Anand Giri, how they keep everything in their mind. Not that when we are studying one grantha, so I have no idea of what is other grantha. In particular, this Mandukya Vichara Avasthatraya, it comes in so many places. Yogya Desha Abhave Siddhe Siddham Artham Darshayati. So Yogya Desha Abhava, because in Swapna, in that Hridaya Desha, there is not enough space for Parvata, Hasti, ityadi. Tasmat. Swapne Mrisha Adhyaropita eva Atmabhutattvena Lokaha. Avidyamana eva Santas तथा जागरिते अपि इति प्रत्येतव्यम. Bhashyakar is almost like waiting to write this line. Tasmat swapne, just like in dream, mrisha adhyaropitan, all the padarthas are mithya, they are adhyaropita. Eva atma bhutatvena lokaha. Lokaha karma phalani. Avidyamana eva santaha, they are absolutely not there. Tatha jagarite api. Same is true for Jagrat also. Tathaiva Jagratyapino Visheshaha Tatsarvametan Manaso Vijrumbhanam Vivek Chudamni. Pratyetavyam means Nyatavyam. Tika. Swapnasya mithyatve tad drishtantena jadatwadi hetuna jagritasyapi tathatvam shakyam nishchetum ityaha. Swapna, if it is mithya, swapnasya mithyatve tad drishtantena. So swapna mithyatva siddhi has to happen first. How is swapna mithyatva siddhi done? Uchita desha kala abhava. One. Only one hetu you can give. Then there another hetu is also given. Adyantavatvam. And using that, you say Jagrat is mithya. Drishyatvat. Adyantavatvat. In Jagrat, Uchita desha kala abhava hetu will not work. Why? Because Uchita desha kala is there. So from Uchita desha kala abhava vyapti, you do mithyatva siddhi for swapna. Once the drishtanta is there, then use that drishtanta for Jagrat mithyatva siddhi. And that adyantavatvam, what is the karika for that? Adavante cha yannasti tat tatha vitathai sadrisha santo vitatha iva lakshita. So there is vaitathyam. Why? Because what was not there before, what is not there later, even now it is not there practically. Using that, when you do tad drishtantena, then swapna will become drishtanta. And another hetu you can give. What is the other hetu? Jadatva, jadatva, drishyatva, parichinnatva. These three hetus are given in the beginning of Advaita Siddhi. These three, jadatva, drishyatva, parichinnatva. Adi hetuna जागृतस्यापि तथात्वम. तथात्वम, what is तथात्वम? मिथ्यात्वम. मिथ्यात्वम शक्यम कल्पयितुम निश्चेतुम इति आह तथा जागृते अपि इति प्रत्येतव्यम. So now see, swapna is mithya, jagrata is also mithya. Therefore, what is the pratipadanam? Therefore, Atma is Vishuddha. Because otherwise, Atma is different from Dehadi Sanghata. But it is Vishuddha. That pratipadanam was not done. Yesterday we saw. So now he says, therefore we can do that. Dvayor mithyatve praticho vishuddhihi siddha iti upasamharati. Dvayoho mithyatve. Dvayoho jagrat swapnayoho मिथ्यात्वे प्रतीचः. प्रतीचः means प्रत्यगात्मा. प्रत्यगात्मनः विशुद्धि ही सिद्ध. Therefore we can prove Atma is Vishuddha इति उपसंहरति. तस्मात् विशुद्धो अक्रियाकारक फलात्मको विज्ञानमय इति एतत् सिद्धम्. Therefore Atma is नित्य शुद्ध बुद्ध मुक्त अक्रियाकारक फलात्मक. There is no kriya Karaka Phala. Atma is not Karta, Atma is not Karaka, Atma is not Phala. In this way also you can understand. आत्मा कैसे हाँ कल का आपने सुना? नहीं सुना ना? हाँ, कल ये आया था प्रकरण. हमने बताया था, मीन्स आई हैड एक्सप्लेन कि आत्मा अनात्मा विवेक व्हेन यू डू, आत्मा इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अनात्मा. दैट वाज प्रूव्ड. बट आत्मा कैन गेट अफेक्टेड बाय अनात्मा. आई एम डिफरेंट फ्रॉम फायर, बट आई कैन गेट बर्न. So you have to prove that because anatma is mithya, if that fire is mithya, then I will not get burned. Like that, prapancha has to be proved as mithya. So Jagrat, Swapna, Prapancha is there, different from Drashta, but is mithya also. Therefore, Atma is Vishuddha. Iti etat siddha. विज्ञानमय जीवात्मा इन एसेंशियल स्वरूप परमात्मा. उपाधि संबंधात संसारी, उपाधि असंबंधात असंसारी. This was there earlier in 147 and 1410. We discussed these points that whose samsara is this? Who has avidya? So Bhashyakar said, the one who thinks has avidya has avidya. Something this point might come. Akriya karaka phalatmaka iti visheshanam samarthayate. Why did you have to say akriya karaka phalatmaka? Bhashya yasmat drishyante drashtur vishaya bhutaha kriya karaka phalatmakaha कार्य करण लक्षणा लोकास तथा स्वप्ने अपि. दृश्यन्ते द्रष्टुर विषय भूताः क्रियाकारक फलात्मकाः. द्रष्टुः विषय भूताः, they are the विषय of this drashta. Whatever drishya is either kriya or karaka phala, कार्य कारण, कार्य करण लक्षणा is given, कार्य करण लक्षणा लोकाः. So they all have drishyatvam. Swapna also, they all will have drishyatvam. Jagaritam drishtantikritya darshtantikam aha. Now here Jagrat is taken as drishtanta and tatha swapne. Swapna will become paksha, darshtanta. Drishtanti kritya. What is the pratyaya? Drishtanti kritya. This came in the, what is that? Ahankara aspadi bhuta. Chvi pratyaya. Abhuta tadbhave kribhvasti yoge sampadya kartari chvihi. Then, what is the sutra to make it dirgha? Chvaucha. Kribhvasti yoge, because drashtanti kritya. So that kri is there. Either kri dhatu, bhu dhatu or as dhatu, if it is there. Like vishayi bhuta, ahankar aspadi bhuta. So that aspadi, that dirgha e comes because of shvi pratyaya and chaucha. Darshtantikam aha tatha. Drashtru drashya bhave siddhe phalitam aha. When drashta drashya bhava is siddha, means they are separate. So good we took drishya viveka drishtanta, because in that text and small text you are familiar also. द्रष्टृदृश्य भावे सिद्धे फलितमाह तस्मादिति अन्यत्व फलम कथयति तस्मात् तस्माद् अन्यो असौ दृश्येभ्यः स्वप्न जागरित लोकेभ्यो द्रष्टा विज्ञानमयो विशुद्धः. दिस इज द निगमन. Bhashyakar is so wonderful. If you don't understand anything, just nigaman line if you read properly and understand, that is enough. Tasmad anyo asau drashta. Asau drashta anyah. Kebhyah drishyebhyah. Swapna jagarita lokebhyah. Swapna loka and jagarita loka. From both this, which are drishya, drashta is bhinna. And that is vijnanamaya and vishuddha also. So anyatva phalam is vishuddhatva. Vrittanuvad purvakam uttara shruti nirastyam ashankam aha. Vrittanuvad purvakam. What is the prashna? Question?
Swamiji. Yes, Swamiji. Vijnanamaya kosha, if...
This is not Vijnanamaya kosha.
No, sorry. Vijnanamaya Mayaha is to be said as Atma, Vishuddha Atma. So why in the previous section is said Vijnanamaya is Chetavan?
Is what?
And Chetavan.
No, Vijnanamaya, we discussed this. Vijnanamaya is actually taken as Jivatma first. Then what is the essential nature of Jivatma? It is shown as Paramatma. Directly Paramatma Nigamanam. See, for Gargya, who did not know that there is a Nirguna Brahma, how will you reach to that point? And Nirguna Brahma you will get, is available, is upalabdha only in buddhi. Nirguna Brahma, we may say everywhere is Nirguna Brahma. Everywhere Nirguna Brahma, it is actually available for anubhava only in buddhi. In buddhi, because aparokshataya you can experience. If some say in pata also sat is there. In pata, that sat which is there, this jnanam will not liberate you. I am this. This aparoksha jnanam will liberate you. That's why aparoksha jnana upadesha is given here. Some portions we have already seen. You can just go over it again.
Yes, Swamiji, if so, we can give any word like Annamaya and
In Annamaya, Chaitanya is not available as it is available in Vijnanamaya. Annamaya, if you say Chetanavan, it is second degree Chaitanya. Because Annamaya, we burn it. At the end of the body is Prarabdha Karma. So Annamaya, that's why Vijnanamaya only. Yoyam Vijnanamaya Praneshu Rudi Antar Jyoti Purusha. That is your Tvam-pada Lakshyartha Bodhaka Vakya. You will see in Siddhanta Bindu, those who are attending, they will see. Vrutta-anuvada Purvakam. Shruti Nirasyam Ashankam. What is the meaning of Shruti Nirasyam Ashankam? What is the meaning? That Ashanka which will be eliminated by the next mantra. That Ashanka is given first as Upodghata of next mantra. Then next mantra will come. This style of Anand Giriji is consistent in Mandukya. Darshana Vrittau Swapne Vasana Rasher Drishyatvat Atad Dharmata iti Vishuddhata Avagata Atmanas Tatra Yatha Kamam Parivartata iti Kamavashat Parivartanam Uktam. Darshana Vrittau Swapne Vasana Rashi है दृश्यत्वात्. In Swapna, Vasana Rashi is Drishya. Darshana Vritti. Swapna is Darshana Vritti. Darshana Vritti means Darshan means Jnana. Jnana Vritti means Swapna. In Swapna, all this Jnanam which is happening. Like Ghata is Bhutal Vritti. So, Bhutal Vrittau Ghate Jalam. Bhutal Vrittau Ghate Jalam. Like that, Darshana Vrittau Swapne Drishyatvam. समझ में आया? Like how it is given in the Hindi. ज्ञान के अधिकरण स्वप्न में. ज्ञानाधिकरणम will be स्वप्न. दर्शन means ज्ञानम in this. वासना राशे है दृश्यत्वात् अतद धर्मता इति विशुद्धता अवगता. Atad dharmata means what you are experiencing is not there. Therefore, Atma is Vishuddha. Vishuddhata avagata Atmanaha. Tatra yatha kamam parivartata. Iti kama vashat parivartanam uktam. As per his kamana, he goes around swechaya in swapna. Tika. Tatra iti swapnoktihi. कामादि संबंधश चकारार्थ. चकार is later. दृष्टृ दृश्य संबंधश्च अस्य स्वाभाविक इति अशुद्धता शंक्यते. Somebody says drashta drishya sambandha is swabhavika, means avidyaka, and avidyaka means it is there actually, not avidyaka as in how we understand. Swabhavika sambandha. So, swabhavat, they are sambandha, not avidyaka, swabhavat. Therefore, Atma is ashuddha. Somebody is doing shanka. Shankyate. Atastad vishuddhyartham aha. Therefore, for its vishuddhi, it is said. Sitika. Nivartya shanka sadbhavan nivartikanantara. Na is missing. निवर्तकानंतर श्रुति प्रवृत्तिं प्रतिजानीते. निवर्त्य शंका सद्भावात्. Nivartya Shanka is there. What is the Shanka? That maybe Drashta Drashya Sambandha is real. Therefore, Drashta is not Shuddha. Who will ask this question? Who sees Drashta only up to Jivatma? Vijnanamaya only as Jiva. For that person, Drashta means this Pramata is affected by Drashya. You see something happening, you are affected. Even though you are different from it. Different is known. Difference is available, but yet Asangatva is not known. So this Shanka, Sadbhava is there. Means it is possible. Nivartya Shanka Sadbhavat Nivartakanantar Shruti Pravrittim Pratijanite. Because Shanka Udbhavanam is done, therefore Nivartakanantar Shruti Pravrittim. Anantar, another Shruti Pravritti Pratignya is done. Pratijanite. Ataha tad vishuddhyartham aha. Then comes the mantra, which is where it is given. He goes in Hita Nadi and in Puritata Nadi. What Kiranavali also we are at the same point in this. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashyakritav Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namah. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.